Hey guys, this is our 2014 FJ Cruiser. This is AKA our overland vehicle. We're about to do some work on it. Dad, how about you explain what's going on here?
Alright, son. This vehicle is a 14 model, and although it's a highly reliable vehicle, there are things that you have to replace. These little plastic pieces got a lot of heat coming from the motor. They get dry and crack, and our splash guards on the other side was actually missing. So I just ordered a set, and we're gonna go ahead and replace these before they fall off while we're on the middle of a trail or something like that. And we actually, if you look right here, the factory Toyota ones just got this and this. I'm sure it's pretty sufficient, but look at all that. That right there is susceptible to water, mud. Well, we found a set online that we ordered. It's these right here. They are a full cover splash guard. It's actually going to go up and over the shock. And man, I put one on the other side, and these guys are tucking in like tight. They don't look all floppy. We did some work cleaning all this up, and we just want it to be nice and stay nice. Keep all of our engine bay water off our alternator. It's right in there. You know, we're gonna get into some water and mud. We do not want to be stranded, so we're gonna do a little pre-maintenance.
All right,
son. To get this job done, you're gonna need 10mm. Deep well probably be best. This handy dandy, any kind of little pry bar right here to get the clips undone. These are our new clips we bought. The clips are just as brittle as the old splash guards are. We want to order some new ones so that they don't come out. This is the part number and the brand. Unfortunately, they're made in China, but they seem to be working pretty good so far. And this guy, I'll explain to you why we need this. This is a 10mm jam nut with a washer. I found on the other side that we need that. And of course your splash guards.
all right, guys. We're going to be removing these buttons out about now. You got to get in there and pop them out. Not that hard. It just takes a little bit of muscle. There we go.
Whew, nice. How many clips we got?
I think 5. Last time I counted. Dang. It's not wanting to come off.
There you go.
Dang on.
Nice.
Yeah. And they're in there.
Alright, we got the new one. Getting ready to get in.
Yeah.
There you go. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Button in there.
There you go. I got some in my hand here.
There we go. Alright. Ooh, it's a tight fit.
Yep.
There we go. This one down here.
Like you said, it'd be easier without this tire, but it's a lot of work to take the big old 32 inch tall tire off. Almost done, buddy.
Yeah. Almost there. That's kind of tedious work. Getting there. Getting there. Yeah.
Little stretch.
Oh, finally. Whew.
Yeah. This is where we got to use that nut. Come in here and hold this guy.
Yeah.
Alright, run him on up there.
Alright.
Not crazy tight, just snug. It's a jam nut.
Yeah. Alright, guys. I think we're about wrapped up here. Got it finished for the next overlanding trip. Got this side done and the other side over here. Yeah. We're all good to go. Alright guys, thank you for watching our video. This is one of the many more upgrades. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.